We are about to embark on our annual trip to the city to do some Christmas shopping.
Joe, you make it sound so formal. Embark. You normally embark on a ship and disembark on a ship. But anyway, I'm just going to...
It's a journey.
It's a destination. And I'm going to buy Jojo his Christmas present. I think I know what I'm buying.
Pete's is under the tree already as we speak.
I know, you're a bit more organised than I am.
Anyway, we'll have a look at some of the Christmas decoration in town and show you what's in store.
Okay. See you in town shortly. Bye.
Bye.
It came upon the midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of gold. Peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's all gracious scheme. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. Still through the cloven skies they come with peaceful wings unfurled, and still their heavenly music floats o'er all the weary world. Above it said, and lowly plays they bend on hovering wing, and ever o'er its babble sounds the blessed angels sing. For lo, the days are hastening on by prophets seen of old, when with the ever-circling years shall come the time and back the song which now the angels sing.
We have just come back from the city and seen some lovely decorations throughout the city. As always, Christmas is a wonderful time of the year. And what have you have to say, Peter? Hello, Ruby.
Hello, Ruby. Merry Christmas, Jojo.
Merry Christmas to all out there who are watching, and may it be peaceful.
So, look at this beautiful little addition. She came to us after Christmas last year and she is celebrating her first Christmas with us this year. It'll be a very nice one with Miss Ruby. But it's been a pretty remarkable year, given that we've just been through the worst of COVID, our second lockdown. It's been a period of time that's impacted upon everyone in some way, whether people have lost jobs or people have closed businesses. But we seem like we've got through the worst of it. Anyway, it's lovely to be at this Christmas time. Some of you may remember my earlier messages of peace, hope, happiness and love at Christmas time. But this year, a little bit different. It's a message that actually came to me recently spontaneously, and it's really one of kindness. So at this time of the year, just please be kind to yourself, number one, and be kind to others. That way, we'll all enjoy a very Merry Christmas. Okay, thank you very much, Jan. Best of luck.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas. Bye.